Hey there, I wanted to show you how I organize my makeup desk. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process, so let's get into it. I got this makeup desk during Black Friday, and I really wanted to make sure that every single thing I have in this makeup desk is what I want to use, because we've moved from Utah last year and then we moved into our new apartment this summer, and so I wanted to make sure every single thing I use, and I'm not just keeping it just for like a rainy day or something like that. So I decided I wanted this new makeup desk and I wanted to declutter everything. I have 4 steps on how I organized my makeup desk. The first one is clear off the area. That is like the dumping zone for everything that I have, which is a huge problem. And I haven't really been able to use it since we moved in because everything is just all over the place. So I made sure to clear off the area in the first place and make sure I had an easy surface to work with. Second, I separated everything into groups. I have a group of things I use every day, things I use on special occasions, and then a couple items that I'm testing out. I get sent some different items from PR lists, from different brands, from my blog, and I want to be able to test out these products to see if I'm going to keep them or if I'm not, and what my real, true reviews are on those. Number 3 is declutter. Get rid of it. It's terrible. All of the things that I have on there that are just garbage, receipts, empty boxes from new products. I have everything on there and it's not the best, but being able to throw all this stuff away has been amazing for me. And being able to get rid of old things and be able to and find the things that I actually have. I found a couple makeup items and other items that I haven't seen in a while, and so I'm happy to add those back to my collection. And number 4 is organize. I have so many different things that I use to keep all my makeup in order. I have different drawers, I have my new desk, I have different areas for different things, so everything can be found in its place. I washed all my makeup brushes over again, which was long overdue. And I needed to have a new place for those, so I have a little jar on my desk for those. And I keep all the products I use every day right on top of my desk, so they're within eye's reach. So that is how I decluttered my makeup desk. It really was a simple process. It took a lot more time than it shows here because there was a lot of things, but I'm so happy with how it turned out, and it's such a better space for me to be able to use on a daily basis. I've done my makeup there every day since I fixed it, and it's so nice to be able to have my own space again. So let me know what I should declutter next, because I definitely need to go through a lot of other places in my house. So let me know what kind of videos that you like to see. If you have any questions of what I threw away, what I kept, or anything like that, let me know in the comments. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.